Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students are placed in a company, so he's going to share his experience.
Hi, I'm MOHAMMED FARDEEN. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Electronics and Communication at Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore, and I have joined PySpiders in the month of December. I have completed the course in Software Development Engineering and Test. I had a great experience in PySpiders. My trainers was I have trained Python by Vijay sir and Selenium by Lakshmi Prasad sir, and manual was trained by Pradeep sir and Gautam sir. It was a great experience here. I have learnt a lot, gained hands-on experience in PySpiders, and thanks to PySpiders as well. Thank you for.
So which are all the activities you took in interview?
So like boot camp mainly. Boot camp helped me a lot. It improved my English communication, and as well supportive environment support me a lot.
Congratulations.
Thank you.